Good morning, I'm Nima and you're watching The Hot Topic. Today's hot topic is the recent rise of the Australian dollar. So, what's going on with the Aussie? By the end of last week, Australian markets had their best trading week in almost 4 years with 5 straight days of gains. The benchmark ASX 200 index, which comprises of Australia's top 100 stocks, finished the week up 69 points or 1.33%. While currency pair the Aussie US dollar hit an 8-week high, peaking at nearly 74 US cents, its highest since August 18th of this year. Let's take a closer look at what's happening in Australia. Well, a number of factors are at play that contributed to last week's boom for the Aussie markets. Firstly, last week's FOMC minutes gave a boost to Australian investors on diminishing hopes of a US interest rate rise before the end of the year. The Australian dollar is also getting support from stronger copper prices and a recent rally in the Chinese stock market. Following that, gold hit a 7-week high just minutes after last week's Fed minute, trading at 11.56 USD per ounce. This helped the ASX move even higher as many of its gold mining stocks went soaring. However, energies are proving a mixed bag as oil prices dropped more than 5% on Monday on news of higher output by OPEC, while large Australian mining companies like BHP and Rio Tinto took some losses. So, what's next for the Aussie dollar? Well, analysts are split as to what the rest of the year holds for the Aussie dollar. One respected Wall Street analyst believes the Aussie USD will finish the year buying at 68 US cents before extending that decline to 66 cents by the end of March 2016. Keep in mind that if you're looking to trade the Aussie dollar this week, be aware that the job data figures due Thursday may have a big impact on the currency. This includes the employment change figure, which measures the change of number of people employed. In most cases, a rise is positive for consumer spending, which in turn stimulates economic growth. So bottom line, a high reading is bullish for the Aussie dollar, while a low reading is seen as bearish. Analysts are expecting a rise of 5,000 jobs, so if that number is below, then we may see an Australian dollar sell-off. So be prepared. That's it for this week. Once again, I'm Nima, and you've been watching The Hot Topic.